Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tommy here. So I just want to do a little intro to this video so I can explain what's going on here, and just like not a video of me just kind of working out, doing whatever. Um, so this video is, or this workout really, is all about um, hypertrophy and size, right? So this is not one of those videos or one of those chest workouts that's going to make you strong per se. I really would recommend this for those of us that want a bigger chest, because the amount of volume here is definitely going to get that for you. So it's going to be mainly hammer press machines, either plate loaded or pin loaded, along with cables, right? So after you do one compound movement, that means a movement using two joints, or one chest press, you're going to go straightly into a fly. So for example, if you do a flat chest press and then go into a flat cable fly. If we're doing, there's one body weight movement here, we're doing dips. So from dips, we want to go into a low pulley fly. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're a beginner, you can do 2 to 3 sets, right? Because you're a beginner, you don't really need to do all that much yet. And if you're intermediate, gotta go a little harder. So we're gonna do about 3 to 4 sets, right? And then if you are advanced, it's 4 sets and beyond, right? So the first 2 sets are kind of like a warm-up set if you're like an advanced lifter. Make sure, guys, like this is very, very important when doing hypertrophy training. It's not about the weight. It's about the contraction and the squeeze. So if you're doing chest and you have so much weight on the bar or on the machine or whatever you're using, that your shoulders and your triceps start to take over, it's no longer useful for what your goal is, or for what the goal is for the workout, which is to build a bigger chest. So go ahead and try it out. If you want to follow me on social media, I upload to my Instagram quite frequently. It's Tommy the Trainer 78. On Facebook, my name is Tommy J Murrell, spelled Murrell. Then I have also a Facebook page. It's Tommy Murrell. Yeah, so just follow me there, and I hope to see you guys soon at the fitness retreat. It's gonna be a great time.